This is a set of search and find wipeable mats from Funcils. This kit was sent to me for review, but these opinions are my own, and they're pretty positive. This says it's for 3 to 5-year-olds, but it's gonna be fun for kids beyond that age as well. That's because these mats are so well done. Let's take a look. The box is actually fun to open for a little kid. That's not always the case for activity sets like this, but look, it opens up and it's nicely packaged. It's also a storage case. It even has a carrying handle, so it's perfect for on the go. So imagine this, a little kid opens this up and right away it says this kit belongs to, and either you can write their name there if it's a gift, or you can let them do it. It only comes with 2 dry erase markers, which I thought was a little bit lacking, but what's lacking there is more than made up for in the quality of these dry erase search and find activity mats. There are over 22 full sheets of activity in this with super bold, bright colors. These are high gloss, very easy to wipe clean, and really well done illustrations. Look at these beautiful colors. You've got themes like Under the Sea, Dinosaur Era, Fairy Tale, Arctic Adventure, Count the Vehicles, shape matching, and even a fun holiday sheet featuring Santa's hiding reindeers and a house full of Christmas cheer. We've got science themes, we've got writing themes, we've got everything from STEM themes to literature and writing, and I love the addition of this blank drawing sheet as well as a lined writing sheet for practicing their writing skills. This is really an exciting activity kit. It's perfect for the car because you can just erase it and they can start all over again. No crumpled up papers all over the place, and comes in this great storage box. You cannot go wrong with this kit. This is an activity kit that kids will love.